Would you want to get financial freedom by compounding your money through stock market? Then there are two ways to deal in the stock market. Either you become a trader or you become a long-term investor. History shows that only 3% of trader has earned money, but there are more than 70% chance that you compound your money through long-term investing. That is why I have designed a thoughtful investor model. A few of the world's richest billionaires and the stock market gurus like Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, Rakesh Junjunwala, Radhakrishna Damani has built their empire through fundamental analysis and long-term investment. I am also applying the same for my clients. I designed a bulletproof framework, a thoughtful investor model. After learning the strategies and framework from all these mentors, I am going to conduct a free webinar on that framework. In this webinar, I will give you nuts and bolts and also complete framework through which you can compound your money through stock market investment. You have to provide 2 hours a week to this framework and that is enough. So if you are doing a business, a job, or if you are a professional, then also this webinar is for you. If you are a non-finance person, this is a system is so easy that you can easily understand and implement it. So click below link for the live webinar, and of course there are no recording. See you at the webinar. Thank you.